Hello, today we will discuss and configure uh, IPDHP. First, you need to telnet to our router and sign your username and password, and then go to configure terminal. Let me repeat that: configure config config terminal, and then first you must think about what block a block of address and what range address that you don't want to distribute to client. So for instance, in my case, the HTTP excluded address is 1 and 1 up to 9. IPDHCP space I'm sorry IPDHCP space excluded dash address 192.168.1.12.9. This is I don't want to give to any client an IP address 192.168.1.1 until 192.168.1.9. So from 1.1 from .1 .2 .3 .4 .5 .6 .7 .8 .9 I don't want to give to client. So and next, okay, last step, IPDHCP pool. Give your think give your name, give your pool a name. I give my pool a name. I define my pool a name, pool 1. Pool 1 is easy to remember. Now define your network and your mask. uh, this is why I told you to think about what block of address that we want to give to client. So this is the answer. And so default, uh, set your client default router, or default router is yourself, your router self, I mean, and give a client a DNS server of public IP. And last, I told to client to list, you have right to list this 2 days and 0 hours and 0 minutes and zero, and okay, that's it. Or you can just list two. Do not need to add redundant zero here. Add another zero here. Okay, and now that's it. You have finished configure your DHCP pool. So now I have a host here that connected to my router and have a 1.13. So IPDHCP binding. Okay, it's close. There is no address, there is no output from the from command show IPDHCP binding. So okay, let's disable our adapter first, and then enable it again, or enable it back. And now enabled, and right click on your wireless network connection or wireless adapter, and click status and click details, and you will see a number. For let me see. You must you must click radio button here. Obtain an IP address automatically from your any PC, from your any host behind in your LAN or behind your router. And you also need to click radio button here. Obtain DNS server address automatically, so our router will be fill this we will be fill this field for our client. If you are done with this, click OK and click OK again. Then click right click again and click status once more again, and you will get this number. If you want to know, is that you want to know how I'm sorry, if you want to know what's happened in show API DHCP binding, here we come. Here we go. You will see this output. This is a binding from all pools not associated with FVRF. You will get this field first: IP address and the client ID or hardware address or username and list expiration times September 18. So now is September 16, 2015, and the list expiration is September 18. So 2 days from now, 2 days from now is September 18, and the type is automatic. So this is your client ID have right who have who had list this address. And now you open another command prompt and type ipconfig from your host slash all from any or your host, and match those information. Your in this host particularly you use wireless LAN adapter, and maybe in your another host you use this one, but I use this one for this host. Now I take this physical address and take this and match with this username and hardware name. It must be same, right? Is that correct? This is not my PC. So this is not my PC. This is not my host. This is my server. My Raspberry Pi has had list this IP. So this is not. So we need to connect or disconnect again to get an IP. And while you in disconnected mode or disconnected status, you cannot view your view status here. And so to view your status, you need to connect again to your wireless network. And while in the identifying status, you can have this. Still you can have that. You still using the dot 1 and dot 1 dot 13 address. You still stick to that address. So to release that address, we need to assign ipconfig slash release. Okay, and now combine with /renew ipconfig. No operation can be performed on LAN local area connection too. This is not your wireless, this is your cable mid LAN. No operation can be performed on local area connection where is media disconnected. This is both. And error occur on interface loopback pseudo interface 1. So that's it. Okay, let's see our config again, our host config again, ipconfig /all, and you will still and telnet again to your router and sign your username and password and sign show ipdhp binding command again, and here we go. Another host has been added to your show ipdhp binding, and the MAC address that client used to register to you is dot 6 dot d dot 6 dot that dot 6d. Let's see what's MAC address that our Windows 7 here use for on his wireless LAN adapter is, yes, this is physical address 40 hyphen 6d 40.6d. You see that in Windows the notation little bit different from your router. In your router they combine the two 4 digits together and separated with dot 4 digits together, then separated by dots, and 4 digits together and separated by dot, and last one is 6d. So let's see this before and while in Windows XP they group together 2 digits separated by hyphen, 2 digits again 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 separated by hyphen, and 2 digits again. So there something that your router add to make it to your client MAC address is here is 0101. So let's see, um and if you look above the MAC address here, that is for 1.13, you see the MAC address for off the 1.11 here. They are only 4 times 4 times 4, they are only 12 digits, while in your 1.13 4 4 4 and plus 2, so this is 14 and this is 12. Okay, so in bottom line you already configure your show IP, your DHCP pool, ipdhcp pool. For recap, let us show run and section ipdhcp. Okay, ipdhcp excluded address. This is from my previous configuration. We can erase that with no ipdhcp excluded address. Okay, no, in complete command you need to add 10.10.10.1. Okay, type n and show run pipe section space ip space dhcp again. you see that now the command this command the syntax here is remove remove, and now what's left is this IP excluded address, IP DHCP excluded address, as like we see, as like we define. uh, this is not included in this distribution to client, and so clients will never have this address 1.1 until 1.9. And below that command we have ipdhp pool 1. This is a header to this uh, and it's 1 2 3 4 command below that. Yes, we assign the network, we assign default router, and we assign DNS server, and we assign list too. So if you show IP interface brief, who is 1.1? 1.1 is you, is your interface VLAN is you. Okay, that's it. So that's mean we assign def, default def, our default router is this router, thoughts or router. Thank you.